In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Zoho Mail storage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your mailbox usage so you can keep your email running smoothly without unexpected limits. First, open your preferred web browser and head to mail.zoho.com. This takes you straight to the Zoho Mail web app. Make sure you're on the official site and that the page fully loads. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're in, you should land on your inbox or main mail view. Everything we'll do happens right here in the standard interface, so there's nothing special to turn on. Now, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This may be a small circular photo if you've set one, or a colored circle with your initials. Click that profile icon to open your account panel. This panel is where Zoho gathers quick account details and shortcuts, and it's the easiest place to see how much space your mailbox is using. With the profile panel open, simply scroll down within that panel. Depending on your screen size and how many account options you have, you might need to scroll a bit. Use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the side scroll bar inside the panel. You're looking for a section that references your storage or usage. Take your time here, the entry isn't hidden, but it often sits below your basic account info. As you reach the lower part of that panel, you'll see an item labeled Mail Storage. Right there, Zoho shows how much space you've used out of your total allowance, typically in megabytes or gigabytes, sometimes with a progress bar or percentage. That number includes your emails and their attachments, and it reflects your current plan's limits. It's a quick snapshot designed to help you understand whether you're comfortably within your quota or getting close to the cap. If you recently received or cleared a lot of messages, keep in mind that storage indicators may take a short moment to align with the most recent changes. Also, if you use multiple Zoho services, mail storage here refers specifically to your Zoho Mail mailbox, not unrelated products. That's all there is to it. Go to mail.zoho.com, click the profile icon at the top right, scroll within the panel, and you'll see your mail storage. Checking this regularly helps you stay proactive and avoid surprises, especially if your work depends on consistent email delivery. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find your Zoho Mail storage at a glance.